Do you want to be on the main screen, or do you want me to be on the main screen?
Doesn't matter. You can switch.
We can switch between us.
Yeah.
Can you
Oh, wait. I built something.
Oh. Wait, I didn't switch on mine.
What?
I didn't switch on my stream. Okay, we're good. Oh, right. Dude, try to imagine yourself in the future, about 10 years, and what you're doing right now.
What?
We're the kind of people that in 10 years we're going to remember our days with a smile on the face. We have like 10 days, imagine, that we're going to remember and smile and be happy. You are probably not fun at the party, and you will have a day you will like to remember. Because you're not fun at the party and moral and disgusting and stink. Here.
Oh no, you have to charge it. What?
It's okay. Do you want to play a game?
Which game?
Arm wrestling.
Yep, but okay.
Me with both hands.
Okay, yeah.
Because you are a man, you're stronger. So I think that it will be fair if we play with both hands. I play with both hands. And the person who wins pays for the dinner.
Okay.
I'm gonna order literally every single dish in the menu.
Okay.
Because I can.
Okay.
And I know that I'm gonna win.
Okay.
And that means, wait a minute, hold on. If I win, you pay.
Yeah.
If you win, I pay.
Yeah. But I have to hold the camera.
For multifunctioning.
I try.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
Don't break the arm. You have to be straight, I think. I'm not sure. Never done that. So let's try to not break, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
If I win, you pay. If you win, I pay. All right.
3, 2.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Now let's do it. But be careful, okay? Don't break your arm.
Yeah.
Because you're a little.
Yeah.
Don't break the arm.
Yeah. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
God. Oh my God.
It cracked?
Yeah, it cracked a little bit. But I it's a muscle, I think.
Oh no. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
You're fine?
Yeah.
100%?
I have to pay now.
What?
What?
That is true. I'm gonna order every single bit from the menu.
When you eat it, it's fine.
I'm gonna try literally everything.
But
I'm not a cheater. We agreed. I did stand up. I was cheating.
What?
I was cheating.
No.
No?
You said before that you're doing with 2 hands.
You don't have to tell. Not everything. What are you doing? Oh, yeah. Are we ready to order?
No.
Oh, we need like 2 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
She needed 2 minutes. That's it.
I only need 2 minutes, my brother.
You want to look?
No, I know what I want.
Yeah, what?
Let me do this.
Okay, yeah.
Tell me when to stop.
Stop. This one.
Burguesinha. Oh, hell
You hit
no.
the jackpot.
Oh my god, hell no. Anything but this. I want fish. I want salmon steak. Do they have salmon steak? I'll have salmon steak. You pick whatever you want.
Okay. Salmon steak?
Yes. I want to have salmon steak. 2 minutes is more than average.
Yeah?
Yes. You're a minute.
2 minutes. Yeah.
Wait, you're 30 seconds.
30 seconds is my thing.
This would be the casual romance anime relationships. Trust me, in 2 episodes, they kiss.
They never kiss in a romance anime.
They never kiss. It is. I kind of hate it in the anime with romance that they don't really have like romance for real. Like in the romance anime, they just only they just love each other and then they show that they're attracted to each other, but they can't say because they're way too scared. But they don't really do the action. They don't really kiss. Do they kiss? I don't think they kiss in romance anime. I think they always just close to each other.
Yeah, but not. They kiss, but very, very rare.
Very rare.
Very rare.
I want more
when
action.
When they hold hands, it's like crazy.
Yeah, and it's like, yeah, that's why I'm saying that holding hands is crazy.
Yeah.
Like for me, I think that holding hands is very private. What are you doing?
I turn off the thing to,
Oh, okay, charge it.
Okay.
The Japanese are very modest people. Yeah. Just like Hugo. So the stream is the same. Next episode, holding hands.
Okay.
No, I think you could have done that if you tried that harder. Like try to like get the hole in it. Yes, and put it inside. Like that. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm genius, right?
Ow!
Oh, sorry.
Pinched my finger.
Sorry.
God's sake.
You good?
No, it hurts now.
I
Finger
can't-
bubble. Thanks. It's better now. Okay, you're a little bit fucking it up. Let's do it this way. Put it not in between these things, but between here. Can you put it between here? And you can like kind of hold it up. Yes. Yeah, genau. And then we do this. Can you move this thing here? Okay, we don't. Yeah, you have it. We're gonna vibe things. What the hell?
No. Trust.
Okay. These are in pockets. You can't really do anything to them. We can buy these things. It's not that deep. Yes. Oh, it's not. We'll have to use all of these now. I can take it extra for home.
No, I have to think. Let me think.
Can you try to use like any of it, like your brain?
I think that was a good idea here.
No, but it's not really holding very well.
No, trust me. No. Yeah. You see?
Okay, I'm holding it. You're setting it up the way so it's.
So it's bleeding?
Yeah, no, it's not bleeding, but you see it's pinched.
Good. Okay, give me.
We have to kind of like pick the food, I think.
Yeah, I have my food.
Oh yeah, me too.
Yeah.
I'll just have some of it.
We're finished.
We're ready to order.
Let's go.
Do you have salmon steak?
Just
Hey, you didn't look at the menu?
Oh what?
grilled salmon.
Green salmon.
Yes. Look.
Perfect.
Look. You didn't read the menu though.
That was so tough to look at the menu. Just, I want salmon.
You like salmon?
Yeah. It is autumn. It is salmão perfeito. Salmão grelhado para mim.
Ah, you speak Portuguese.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you.
Okay, I take the burger e pico.
Mario Epico. Yeah.
It's very.
Do you wanna fries?
Yeah. And I would take.
Oh, excuse me. This time, is that okay if I take French fries?
Yeah, with salmon.
No, I'm asking him.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Yeah. Can I order?
Yeah.
Can I have French fries? Can I have French fries, please?
French fries right here.
Okay,
With
perfect.
burger, right?
What?
No,
Yeah.
for me too.
No, extra fries.
Wait, you think I shouldn't take the fries?
I think it's enough. You can share in the fries.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we share.
Okay, we share.
What you want to drink?
Water.
Water.
I take also water.
Big bottle of water.
Do you want fresh water?
Yeah, fresh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you, dog.
fresh.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Okay. Just put it there. Okay, wait. No, I have an idea.
Oh, we're really doing it.
Trust me. Just trust me one time. Okay, now put it.
What is this? Was ist das?
Put it.
Wait, hold it. Just hold it.
No, not like that.
Like how?
Like,
No, but we can't put it like
No,
that.
no,
No, we can't put it like that.
No, it's
and
not-
this way it will be like, higher.
but we can also put this underneath,
Oh yeah, put it.
Yeah.
Put it underneath.
We can put this underneath and also this. And now give me the phone.
Was ist das? No, it is gonna work.
Oh, please.
Yes.
No, okay.
Yes. Trust me.
Okay. It's not safe.
It's almost safe. It's almost perfect. This is how it stays, guys. Look. Like that.
Yeah.
Ooh, scheiße.
Can I use it to hide?
Yeah. Okay. How about like twist it like this?
Oh, but that's not safe.
It is safe. It's gonna balance on pretty well.
Okay. Thank you.
Grazie mille. Danke, obrigada. I'm just Hugo, I think the camera angle is kind of suck ass.
Yep. Okay. Can I?
I don't think it's fixable though.
Like this. Is it good here? Yeah, like this.
Okay, that's awesome. Okay, it is pretty good actually. I would like to say that. Well done, bro. Well done, Diga.
Thank you. Thank you, Digga.
Anyways, would you like to have some water?
Oh, I can.
Thank you very much. You should have done that at the beginning.
I have to.
Remember to never keep a cup of food empty. We're gonna. We want Oksana on the main camera. Guys, who do you want as a main camera?
You have to turn it then. Bence güzel.
Kim, FIFA, Oksana, you, Hugo, Oksana. Let's do 50-50.
Yeah, we can switch.
Are you okay?
Yeah,
Is there something happened?
No, I have to check something.
We can see your phone.
Yeah?
Yeah. Definitely not Hugo. Okay, look at me then. Hello. Behind it. Swap after some time. Nana, you can look at the bottom. Listen, if you're gonna behave badly, I'm gonna show you the fish. The waitress is hot. The guy behind you just chicken right now. You're ready?
Yeah. Do you have
Don't be scared. I cannot switch anymore. I can't switch anymore.
why?
I switched.
Do you have hand sanitizer?
Actually, did you know that a saliva kills 99.9% of the germs? Do you want to try?
Yeah?
Okay, here.
What?
We did not listen.
Spit at me. Kaç saat dışarıda bekliyorum.
How to date and then what is this supposed to mean? What was that?
How to date an under table.
I don't know what that is.
What is that?
What is rate husband material of
Under table.
Google? I would say he's a husband material. But because of just a few things, you gotta listen. He is. He is What? Breathe.
Breathe.
Breathe.
I breathe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're a man.
Yeah.
You're husband material already.
Thank you.
Am I?
Husband?
Wife material?
Say yes.
Why?
You smell good.
I shower.
You shower.
I bathe.
Your hair is very, very delicious. Sniff.
Okay.
Sorry. You're very kind. You're very funny. You're very open. You're very.
Everything about me, my dears. Anything else?
You have. You're not dumb.
I can say the same about you.
Yeah.
I also breathe. Do you hear him well, by the way?
Yeah, that's why I.
No, I think they can hear us. I think they
Chat,
can.
hör du mich?
Thank you very much for the subby. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, they hear both of us. I think, I'm not sure. Mr. and Mrs.
Can I?
Yes. Can I have it? Can I have it? You sure? Like, share. Share, I'm begging you.
No, please. You want it? No.
Can you stop screaming?
Oh, sorry.
You're so embarrassing.
I'm embarrassing.
No, not really. That's not. Wait, sorry. It's not exactly what I wanted to say. We have to put it a little bit like this. Yeah. Yeah, I want to auction that. Can I sell it?
My sneeze.
Your snots.
Yeah. Yeah, I can give it to you. You want?
Yeah. That's why I asked it. For sale. Does anybody want to have that? Text me on Copsic1 Instagram if you would like to have a hashtag Hugo Snot. And then if you would like to have it, you text me. I'm just going to sell it to the highest.
I just wanted to look if they hear you. They hear you.
Anybody who would like to buy that? The starting price is $500. Nobody want to buy that.
What?
Nobody want to buy that.
You can sneeze into one and then.
Like
I
double,
buy it.
like you?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
For how much?
500? 200. So that's your. That's for the food.
Shit. Money first.
200. I pay the food.
You said 500 at the beginning.
Yeah, the food is 500.
It's not gonna be 500. It's not gonna be 500.
Okay, can.
PayPal it right now.
Now? What's your PayPal?
Check on my stream.
I paid.
Thank you. Here it is.
Thank you.
Thank you. Phew. Why are you looking at it?
Interesting.
Okay. Can I look at it though?
Yeah, it's not that much.
Oh, it's actually not. No. Got it.
Oh, you have a small, there's a small, what to say, Popel, das ist ein kleiner Popel.
Booger.
Popel.
Booger.
What?
Booger.
Booger? Is Booger?
It's booger.
Yeah, Booger.
Why did you put it away? You don't. Okay. I guess you don't want that. You don't need that.
I don't need that.
I I don't think as he actually said 500. He's just joking. If Portugal ties or loses, you have to rip that shirt off.
Like a lonely wolf, you have to rip it like this.
Yeah. Because if Portugal like ties or loses today, I have to rip my shirt off. Like that I'm not with them anymore.
What?
I'm not with them anymore.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Can you send me the video?
Who in the chat is being Hugensen? I don't understand. Like, hold on a second. Like, okay, like you decided, like all of a sudden, remind him about the video. What kind of snitch are you? Honestly, guys.
Can you send me?
Guys, I swear to God, that is on your fucking shoulders right now. Like, you are betraying me. Of course not.
You have to send me.
I don't have to.
When you not send me, I push the table over.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Do it right now. I want to see you angry. Hugo, I can't switch the camera. Do you want to see the video?
Yeah.
It's on my iPhone. How am I going to show the stream from
I
it?
can switch. I can just switch for a second, you know.
No, it's tough.
You have to send me the video after food.
Yes.
Yeah?
Let's have a drink for the.
You have to send me.
Yes, of course.
No. Show your hand. Okay, yeah. No, not with the foot.
What?
Not with the foot.
Yes. Les gars, regarde la carte. Ça part là, il n'y a plus de plat, il n'y a que
Let's play the game. With water. That wasn't easy. It wasn't even that funny. We won. What did I win just now?
Nothing.
Huh? What did I win?
Nothing.
I won something.
You win what?
I won something.
What?
Fish.
This one?
Les gars, les bières ou pas?
Muscle memory.
This one?
Somebody wrote in the chat.
Okay.
So, the guy behind Hugo talks about you. Don't turn. Don't turn. Don't turn.
I have to.
Don't turn. Just sit the way you sit. Because, yeah. Just sit the way you sit, okay?
To my Germans.
Oh, somebody in the chat want me to teach you how to behave in public.
How to what?
Behave in public.
I can behave.
I can't. But I can teach you anyway.
Okay.
So the first thing you have to do is that, put the hands behind your head and chill in the back like that. I'm so sorry. Yeah, you do this, and you just like this, the belly.
I have to say something to my Germans, okay? Die neben uns hassen uns bis zum Tod. Die sind viel zu laut, die haben gar keinen Bock auf uns, die geben uns die ganze Zeit ein.
Now I'm gonna say to my English speakers, guys, could you please translate what he said just now?
Yeah, translate. It's good. It's good when they translate, but I can't. It's a thing. I cannot say it to you right now, but you can read it. They can translate. Translate it.
He said he likes your feet.
Yeah.
Everyone in the restaurant hates me.
Herkes derken
You think?
bizi diyor ya da arkasındakilerini diyor. Ama önce bizi diyor. Evet. İşte Almanca.
Me?
No.
Hey, me or you?
No.
Hate us? Both of us?
Diyemem.
Lower? They're eat down. They're too. Oh,
Wallahi, oh my god.
that's weird.
Evet, aynen bizi diyor.
That kind of riddle I wanna.
Voice.
Sanki biz Almanca bilmiyoruz.
You have a lock. No, you have a key from my lock. Is that what you're saying? For real? What the fuck? What is that supposed to mean?
What?
What is that supposed to mean?
You have to think.
It's something is under the table.
Yeah. You saw it?
It was hard, but I saw it. So what? That you're both. We're not welcome in the restaurant.
What?
We're not welcome in the restaurant.
Bro.
You want to protect me from others.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, okay. That's right.
I am gonna do something. Oh, hold on. Sorry, my bad. My apologies. Now the time has come to switch.
Arbeitszeitbetrug. Sorry.
Now it's just you and me.
Me?
No, they can see you, but in a small little like.
Yeah.
If you're okay with that.
Yeah, no problem.
No, it's not a date. We are the normal day. You have something to say?
No,
Why are you looking like that?
no, I don't know what to look.
Okay. Do you have guys any questions I can ask them anything? And no filter. I mean, just filter a little bit what you say, but the rest is like.
How's the day? How's the weather?
Weather is
What's going on?
What does your mom says about me?
She asked us have fun.
Okay.
What was the question?
Truth or dare?
Hell no. No, the last truth or dare was not good.
Okay. Your mom is great.
Yeah, you saw her.
Yeah.
I like a photo.
Yeah. The moon is beautiful today.
The stars also. I cannot look at this.
What?
I cannot look when someone is like, oh please.
It's not that deep. I didn't do anything.
Please.
Okay, I'm sorry. I will never do it again.
Yeah. Swear.
Yeah, I swear. I wasn't doing shit.
Look me in the eyes. I think your eye is like has stick drift
What?
because you do that. Your eye is
Because I'm looking at both of your eyes at the same time. I do this.
no. I mean not that. One eye is slightly like this because you do that.
It's not possible.
Chat.
Hugo, it's not that deep.
It's deep for me. Why are you kicking me?
Because it's not that deep. I'm number 7.
I'm 6.
You're.
What? 9. Why?
Can we have this microphone?
When it's not loading here.
It's not gonna load right now.
Yeah, then we then I have just to put. Can you hold it like this?
It's crazy how much the woman on the right was worried about the camera. It wasn't even pointed at me. I am taller than him actually. I would say. Okay, we're about to get connected to the other microphone.
Is it? You have to turn on, I think. Chat, hör uns? What? You had it on.
I thought, goddamn, the magic finger.
Is it working? Okay, it's working. Nice. Why are you kicking me,
I did not.
bro?
It is too low, they say. Not working. My
Cox and
microphone
mute.
doesn't work.
Yeah. I told you you have to turn it on. It's on. Chat, hör die mich?
One.
It's not working. It's better.
Good night.
Better. Say something.
Gates. They're trolling me.
No, it's better now. It was. No, it was not that loud.
I don't brain it. Yeah, genau.
What did you say?
Why?
Chat, was hat sie gesagt? Because they all sending like a cat that
What
looks
kind of cats?
like the sassy cat.
Sus cats?
Yeah.
They're sus about something?
I
I
don't know.
didn't say anything inappropriate. I was just saying that, German words and stuff. Nothing inappropriate though.
Oh my god. In Germany it's 23 and tomorrow is Monday. That's late.
Yeah, but we're streamers. It's not changing much for us, right? Hello?
I don't know what the clip was.
Okay. Unemployed is not a problem exactly. It's not like we have any jobs. It's not like we gotta go to work tomorrow. I don't think so. Do you
They
need
have to work, they
tomorrow?
have to go to school.
You actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. Unfortunately.
Bro,
I'm sorry. Let me switch you to Hugo. I had my time.
you had to, how many sag mal Akku auf Englisch.
How many what?
How many battery do you have?
44. It's not bad.
It's not bad.
Go to school, I'm not surprised.
Go to school tomorrow.
Go to school tomorrow.
Oh
Arbeitszeitbetrug. Arbeitszeitbetrug.
Corona is back. Let's try to do ASMR.
ASMR? Okay.
You do first, and people are gonna judge who did that better.
Hello. Today I'm going to show you a magic trick. 3, 2, 1.
I got sunburned, by the way. I forgot to say that.
Okay, you do.
Somebody wrote in the chat, muted.
No.
Why they're writing dice of cringe?
It's dice of cringe.
They're say quit now, bro.
Okay, can I do again?
No, please don't do that.
One time,
hell
just-
no. They don't want you to do that again.
Please.
No, it's my turn.
Okay. Then do it.
Okay. How was that?
You were muted. Did you hit the mute button?
I swear to God. No, I was actually saying
What?
different stuff. It didn't work.
You said nothing.
No. Strange.
What? Wir haben nichts gehört.
That's
Wir haben nichts
strange.
gehört. You said nothing.
No, I was saying some stuff.
What are you saying?
Okay, that's cringe to say SMR. Okay, whatever. I'm so hungry. Can they keep
You can order
how
bolo de
hard it
taco.
is to get the fish in the fucking grill it? How hard it is? How fucking hard it is to
You have to
grill
calm
the
down. You have to calm down. You have to calm down. High cortisol.
fish? Yeah.
Good. You have to stick your tongue out for 40 seconds. Then you're calm. Like this.
Sure thing. No, I'm just tired of waiting. We've been waiting for a really long time now. And I hate it because I'm hungry. And you're hungry too, right? So we both are hungry. Hi, Curtis. Okay, thanks. I'm gonna turn the table upside down
Why?
because I'm angry.
Okay, then
Do you know what actually makes me less angry?
Wuffy.
Yes! The Woofy! They're so cute. Little Woofy little boy. Get mad. Yeah, angry Russian is not good.
It is.
It is. You wouldn't want to see me angry.
You have a blue tongue?
A what?
A blue tongue.
I'm not sure.
Warum soll ich dir das fragen?
Do you have the blue tongue? We had a candy earlier, you remember?
Yeah. Oh, that was blue.
But that was like 5 million years ago. There you go.
Yeah, for me.
It's for this gentleman, young gentleman right there.
Thank you very much.
Yes, and the fish. Yes, yeah, for me. For me. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. What is that?
Dafür haben die 3 Stunden gebraucht.
Oh, what is that? I genuinely don't think I've ever seen fruits like that before in my life.
I got scared with the burger.
What is this?
That looks tasty.
No, like on top, what is the vegetable?
Spargel?
I'm gonna
Spagel?
get healthy. I'm gonna be so healthy. I am the definition of health. I swear to God.
Asparagus.
I never tried that. Du bist gut genug. Du bist gut genug. I am hungry. Do you want to hear my stomach? Chad, hold on.
Das ist mir gerade zu intim.
I don't know if they can hear actually.
You hear the stomach?
Did you hear my stomach? It did this. It was loud, but I don't know how loud that was. Right?
No, they don't hear.
Don't know
You want fries?
Can I?
Yeah.
You're sure?
Yeah.
Like, not like the last time though.
What?
You got angry at me
What? When?
when I asked for the fries.
No.
No, you said I'm wide.
What?
Do you watch TikTok? Maybe we're on the different side of TikTok. I want to abuse you for it. I'm really good.
You are white. Yeah.
Am I white?
Yeah.
Where? Yes. But at heart, I'm pink.
Oh my god. You mean white?
What?
Okay, it's like it doesn't matter. It's okay. Just forget it. Forget it.
Ah, okay.
Oh my god.
Are we really awkward?
No. Maybe yeah.
I think we're crazy fucking awkward.
What?
I think we're super awkward, and people when they watch our streams, they cringe so much that they wanna they feel super embarrassed themselves because they're watching our streams. You think so too? Because we're really awkward. Do you guys
Are
think
we
we
awkward?
vibe? Do you think guys, do you think we vibe? Like low-key. Hugo and I, do you think we vibe or not really? Like, do you think the vibe is kind of like low-key off?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. They say that yes, we vibe. Are we gonna be nominated for the Streamer Award as the best duo?
When two things happen. First, this year must be the Streamer Awards. They must be. I don't know.
Oh, by the way, I'm gonna be at the Streamer Award as a +1.
I don't know if they are this year.
I think they are.
We have to wait.
Ah, okay.
They are like. There's a little bit drama right now.
What?
Yeah.
With the Streamer Award?
No, with
Okay.
one streamer is hosting the event, and that streamer's. I don't know. I'm not deep into the thing, but
Uh-oh.
I think it's this year. But we have to do more then. What the fuck? What the fuck? Da was ein Panzer. There was like a tank.
Okay, for your understanding, they are not supposed to be here. Like, there's so much military right now and tanks. So there is a small but a possibility that somebody's trying to conquer Portugal. Because what the fuck do they have a tank in the middle of a
But
fucking...
why they are in Porto and not the
We are not studying war here.
what?
Oh.
Just because we have
Not you. I'm just saying that somebody like gonna attack. But, no,
No,
why there's...
she's explaining you.
Ah,
just because we have in here these events that are Invictus, and this is the military area, you know. And they are
ah.
here.
Oh, thank
Just
God.
because no, we are not studying war.
Not anymore. That's right. Yes.
And Portugal is like a very cold country, so.
I know. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah. We're gonna attack. I saw the planes there. They shoot.
Yeah.
It's okay.
What do you mean? Who cares about Portugal? No, shut the fuck up. Are you trying to get Portuguese citizenships or no?
Wie bitte?
Are you trying to get Portuguese citizenships or no?
No. Why?
Because you're cool. I'm sorry.
That's a heart.
Yeah. You think I was showing you middle fingers?
Well,
Yeah, it's really cool that you have the different passport. It is really fucking cool.
I have top 5 passport. We look today.
Check where Russian passport is.
Oh, I think not good, oh.
I don't think Russian passport is top 100, bro.
What?
I don't think that Russian passport is top 100.
Bottom 5.
Huh?
Bottom 5.
Bottom 5?
Yeah.
Out of
Oh, tank!
How is that a tank?
It's like a medical tank, you know? When
That
they
is not a
shoot, they
tank.
heal you.
That's not a tank.
When they shoot you, they heal you.
That's not a tank though.
Okay.
Get your things right. We probably have some experts in the chat and they can tap them and tell what that is. Why are you
Reboot
laughing?
van.
Huh?
You don't know Fortnite, right? Reboot van is krass. You didn't take one single fry.
I don't want it.
What? Diese Zundere, Digga.
I don't want it.
You want some? Okay.
This is actually delicious, to be honest. You insulted me?
What?
I'm tired. Are you?
Holy cheese pull, der war crazy gerade. I have a crazy cheese pull right now.
A what?
Cheese pull, when you pull the cheese, it was very long.
Okay. No, tsundere is not that bad.
Zunder is good.
It's not a bad word. Ah. Impressive. I would say impressive. Do you ever get tired of eating?
No. I love eating. You want some fries? One. Ich hab's dir angeboten.
Crazy day. I wish I could show you the video.
They want to see you in big screen.
For real?
Yeah.
They actually said that?
Yeah? Hugo, können wir Cockstring in groß sehen?
It was just one person, you got one guide?
No, they say it like +1, +1, +1. Habt ihr nicht.
Thank you.
Que la cocina ya está cerrada, ¿vale?
Thank you.
Ahora, vamos a las 6:30 de la cocina.
I have a good food, but for some reason it's all in oil and it's a lot of fish.
La carne y la veis, ¿vale?
The burgers mit, but the fries are good.
We are eating food. That's the second time we eat right today.
Hugo, ess bitte vernünftig und halt eine Pommes hin. Ja, richtig vernünftig. Wenn die dreimal gesagt hat, sie will nichts. Was?
It's the second time we eat today, right?
Yeah.
It's only the second time we eat. I don't want any more.
You had the ice cream.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guess, guys, out of all of the ice cream that exists in the world, what ice cream Hugo you gift me?
Sí, es con la hora. Sí, es con la hora.
Just try to guess.
Sí, es que
Yeah, because it's delicious, you know. You have to,
cerramos a las
you know.
a los viernes.
No, not the pistachio,
Cerramos a medianoche. O sea,
not the pineapple, not vanilla.
I get a hint. It's low calorie. That's why I gifted you.
That's why.
Yeah.
And then when I was eating, he was just like this. So like, you got me there's like a strawberry ice cream that is like do you know like, huh?
Calipo.
Calipo. Guys, I don't know guys if you know. There's like a strawberry ice cream that you have to like pull out of the thing. And then there's like an ice cream there. So you have to kind of like, you know, like eat it.
Water ice.
Right.
Water ice.
What, sir?
Water ice.
Water ice, yes. Just the water ice. So I had this and I was just eating it and Hugo was like,
Can you show how to eat?
no, maybe you can show. And I'm like, maybe you're gonna stop looking at me? He said, okay, I'm sorry, and then stopped. But that was crazy though. Experience, to be honest. I was just eating fucking ice cream and the dude was like,
I was not looking like that.
you were looking straight at me.
Yeah, straight, not.
Oh yeah, he was looking like that. That's actually true, he was looking like that. Bombastic side eye. Hey, crazy. Unacceptable, I would even say. This behavior is unacceptable. You're done?
What?
You're done?
Want fries?
I don't want fries.
I'm also not.
Oh yeah, you had braces. Do you have a photo with you with no braces? How your teeth look like with no braces?
Me?
Yeah. Have you ever had braces?
No. I had braces with transparent braces.
That is not that funny. I am done. Do you want to have a half of my fish?
Yeah, just a fish.
Yeah, please. I'm gonna have another bite.
Nice. Here, I give you the plate. Or maybe it would look.
I very much appreciate it. That's okay. I've had enough. I've had enough. It's okay. I've had enough. Just with your. No, I don't really want that anymore. I don't want to. Surprisingly, even though that I eat a lot on stream, I don't like to eat on stream.
Why?
Cause like, I mean, I want to eat. I don't want to like entertain anyone. I want to eat, you know. It's not like I usually entertain people, but still, I don't want to entertain anyone. I just want to eat, you know.
But today is a chill day.
He's very hungry, yeah. Hugo, chill. No, he gotta get the muscles working. And then we pay, and then we leave, okay?
Okay.
I eat like a pig when I'm alone. I don't eat like a pig. I really suffer with eating, to be honest. I think I have eating fucking disorder. Because I don't eat, like when I start eating, I eat like a little bit, but then I stop eating and then I don't finish. And there's like 80% of the food on the table. and I can't finish it. Like I swear, if I will eat, I'll puke. So it's tough.
Wow.
I am gonna let him eat. He's the one who's eating right now. Order less. I already ordered one.
You wanted to have fries.
No, it was just a joke.
Funny joke.
You also make very funny jokes.
Which one?
All of the jokes you make are funny.
Chat, hat sie mich gerade gefickt?
Sounds like anxiety? Oh, could be. Let's do squat challenge with Hugo.
What?
Let's do squat challenge.
No.
Oh, what?
Wait, what is squat? Like squat? Like
Squat challenge.
like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do the challenge.
Okay.
Why did you say no first?
I don't know.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna pay, or do you want the dessert?
No. Or maybe? No.
They're really hot today. You know, so it's gonna be too much, and you're, you know, like dieting, right? Okay, we're just gonna wait now, and then we go. Continue our adventure.
GG's.
I have not seen her look at the guy like that for some time. Don't worry, I have absolutely nothing in my mind. Vodka tonic. Wolfie, fit Wolfie, he doesn't want to have food. He's done. You're keeping an eye contact? Bro!
Yeah, it's
Yeah. Bro!
Oh, ich hab so Aura. Oh, ich hab so Aura gerade. I do this one. Oh my god, ich hab so Aura.
Oh my god. But what's wrong with it?
No, it's good.
That's
it
the right
has
way to
aura. So
Yeah.
I don't speak with him, I just do.
Yeah.
It was not cool.
It was cool, honestly.
Das war nicht tough.
No, it's my brother. Yeah, we're brother and sister.
Are we?
Yeah. You don't remember? We are sharing the DNA. You are a brother, I'm a sister.
Yeah?
Yeah. Step. Step sister. What? Why are you smiling like that? Bro! What's wrong with you? My bro. It's my bro.
Is your bro?
It's my bro.
It's my bro. What's your name? Hugo, what's your name?
My name is Mauro.
Yeah.
Hugo.
Yeah.
Hugo, yeah. Nice.
Thank you.
He had salmon on his hand when I do the check.
What does it mean? Hugo's balls will be blue by tomorrow. What is that supposed to mean?
I think I'm hitting my balls and then they are blue.
Don't let the Smurf lick them.
Kann jemand übersetzen?
It was not funny. I apologize.
I wait for the VAR, wait.
For what?
Oh. Oh, I understand the joke. Smurf, the blue ones. And when they lick, it's blue.
They have blue tongues.
They have no,
Yes.
no,
Yes.
no, 100% no. I show you Papa Schlumpf.
Who?
Papa Schlumpf, I show you. He has.
Roses are red, violets are blue. I want to find.
You see,
Yeah.
like 45. What? Cash? Oh yeah, okay.
I can leave the TV.
Do you have cash?
Yes. I have cash, of course. There we go. Oh, I'm so sorry. I accidentally. Do this good canoe. Do this good canoe. Here, Daddy.
Acho que sim.
Acho que não.
I think.
Acho que não.
Acho que não. Acho que não. Yeah.
What?
I leave. Yeah. No. Next to Porto.
No, I have to try again.
Esse em Porto is Coimbra. You live in Porto?
Yeah.
What in Porto?
Like around here. I can't say it on stream.
Take it.
It's a secret.
It's a secret.
Yeah.
You can tell in the stream.
Yeah, I can't tell them. The boys will come to my house and God knows what to do. Tickle me to death. Are you ticklish? Are you ticklish?
No. Thank you, my guy.
Thank
Hugo.
you.
Nice to
Hey,
meet you.
nice to meet you.
Yeah, thank you for the hymn. Toxic.
Oh, please.
Okay.
Okay. Nice to.
Okay. Oh my God, Dick.
Not that deep.
This is mine. This is mine. Are you gonna turn it onto your stream again?
What's the plan now?
Oh, you mean like, oh yeah. Well, we could in theory finish, and I'm gonna take taxi to my car and then drive home for 1.5 hours and then be so tired and dead inside. Let me show you around here. Let's go like around one ride and then I go home. And you go and do whatever you want. Does it sound good?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm sorry, my apologies. Thank you very much. It was delicious. We ate everything. Thank you. Have a great time.